Percussion Jog Vlog.
Now, I'm no fool. I realize I'm ridiculously good looking, but I'm approaching 50, and when I work out, I'm starting to ache a bit. It's getting to the point where I'm having to look at some kind of means to control this, and it seems like a recent phenomenon has been these rapid percussion massage guns. Have you seen these things around? Usually operated cordless, it just sort of jackhammers the muscle tissue. Unlike a vibrating massage, it's not just surface, it goes through, penetrating, try to work those muscles, soften things up, reduce your recovery time. And I picked one up for way cheaper than I could get anywhere else. This is from, and I don't know how you guys pronounce this, I looked around, is it Mowve? Probably not. You're probably calling this Mowve Company, right? But everything has to have some kind of cutesy spelling about it, and that's going to be the 2020s for you. So this particular unit I got for around $100. Similar priced over at Best Buy, we're looking at close to $500. And this even includes the carrying case. It has all these attachment heads for different parts of your body. The manual does state that you need to charge this up all the way before first use to get the most out of your battery. That could take about 6 hours. But once charged, you're going to get a lot of time out of this, at least 2 hours. And you could use it corded if you need to. But it's quite simple to operate. There's a button on the bottom. You switch that on, and then with the single touch button on the face, you can control your speeds. One's pretty low, and it can get up to 6. Now, I realize there are several clone models out there, and most of these, I think, are just coming from China, from maybe the same place. You just slap a different name on it, you sell it in America under a different brand, just like the alleged hoverboards from years back. And so if you look around, you can find these even cheaper than that on Amazon. Now, I can't guarantee you that those have rapid percussion like my Mowve model here, but I'm enjoying this. It's helping me get through the day. For the first time in months, I sat at the dinner table without some kind of sore in my back or my hips, butt, biceps. And how I'm going to incorporate this into my routine is as follows. Prior to working out, just a light level 1 rub down of the body. Then post-workout, post-shower, another low-level massage real quick. Amp it up to level 5, work all the major muscle groups, and call it good. Yes, my legs are this hairy. So we're at the part of the video where I have to beg you to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, because subscribe doesn't really account to anything other than YouTube might someday send me a plaque.